Did you know them can mean just one person? Let's test your skills with a classic text and look at a grammar rule that trips up even advanced learners. In grammar books, this word is called third person plural. That just means we usually use it to talk about a group of people. But here is the trick. We also use them to talk about just one single person. Yes, it's another one of those grammar rules just made to confuse you. Keep watching to see how it works. An example of them used as a singular word is this sentence. Someone cleaned the church hall and we thanked them with a cake. Can you see how this is used to talk about one person? Someone is just one person, but we naturally say we thanked them. In this sentence, them is an object pronoun. It means one person is receiving the thank you cake. And this word, it belongs to a family of 3 words that we use for a single person all the time. They, them, and their. They are all pronouns. Remember, a pronoun replaces a noun, so we don't keep repeating the same nouns when speaking and writing. They is the subject, the person doing the action. They cleaned the hall. Them is the object, the person receiving the action. We thanked them. Their shows ownership, the person's belongings. It was their cake. Here is a very important point to remember. The verb always stays plural, even if you are only talking about one person. If we change this sentence to show that one person is doing the cleaning, the action right now, we say they are cleaning the hall. See the word are. Even though they is just one person cleaning, we still use the plural verb are instead of is. If we say he is cleaning or she is cleaning, we use the singular verb is. But when we use our word they for that same one person, English grammar tells us that we must use the plural word are. They are cleaning the hall. We never say they is cleaning. It works the same way when we give them their cake. We say they have a cake. We do not say they has a cake. We would say he has a cake, she has a cake. But often they, them and their does mean a group of 2 or more people. Let's look at an example of this with today's verse, Luke 2, verses 8 to 10, and try to find our 4 object pronouns hidden inside. There were shepherds in the same country, staying in the field, and keeping watch by night over their flock. Behold, an angel of the Lord stood by them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were terrified. The angel said to them, "Don't be afraid, for behold, I bring you good news of great joy, which will be to all the people." Try to find our 4 object pronouns hidden inside. Here are the answers. You can see the object pronoun in red. Notice that in verse 8, there, in their flock, is showing who owns the flock. Flock is a group of sheep, by the way. And they, in they were terrified, is a subject pronoun because the shepherds are doing the action of being terrified. So our 4 object pronouns received the action. Subscribe for more lessons based on scripture and comment below how many object pronouns you got right. See you in the next lesson. Peace be with you.